So in this video, I'll show you the number one, which is to create the account, and the broker you have to use. So this is what I'm here to show you. So the broker you have to use before you can trade volatility indices. You can trade volatility 75, volatility index 75, VIX 25, VIX 25 1S, VIX 75 1X, and all other boom, jump index, any of it you want to trade at all. Here I'm going to show you how you can create the account to trade on them, and I'm also going to I'll be adding some bonuses for you. I'll be making analysis and be dropping for you also on a video how you can trade perfectly volatility. And something about volatility which I observe is that you can use a very small capital, and you can flip a small capital to a very higher capital very fast. That's very fast. Most times you flip 100, let me say $50, $20 to $100, thousands of dollars. So that's volatility for you. That's just volatility. It can go, it can generate a lot of income as fast as you know, and it can take as fast as you know. So that's it. And I'm going also to show you the volatile pairs which you can trade, the less volatile pairs, and the non-volatile pairs, the ones that are not volatile. So in this video, I'm going to help you. I'm going to show you each by each. But the specific thing which you are here to do in this video is to create the account as the number one of the step you are to take before you can trade volatility indices. You have to have the account before you can trade. So you having the account is giving you access to the trading platform. So you have to have the account, and the broker, you have to know the broker you have to use. So you can use other brokers. There's a particular broker we use for volatility indices, and I'm here to show you in this video. So the name of the broker is Deriv. So let's go into this video and let's create an account. Let's have an account with Deriv. Okay, so we'll be getting an account with Deriv right now. But before we go into that, getting an account with Deriv, if you must have a passport which you need to verify with. So try to have a passport. But in this video, I'm going to jump that aspect. Once you are creating the account, I'm going to jump the verification process. But you don't have to jump the verification process. After watching this video, what you have to do is you have to go back and verify it. I'm going to show you how to skip the processes, and I'm going to show you they are going to ask for tax ID, and without the tax ID you cannot open the account. And I'm going to show you the secrets to get the tax ID to put there that you can further on. A lot of people have been asking me. I got a series of calls the other time. The guy, I was telling him how to create the account, so the tax ID held him for long. So I have to go and search and come back to him. Then I helped him, and his account was opened successfully. So I'm also going to help you in this video. Nevertheless, I'm going to help you. You are going to get your account verified, and you are going to get your real account here in this video. That's what I want to do for you. So let's go into the video. Let's create the account step by step. So keep your ID beside you. I'm going to tell you how and whatever way you are going to go in this video. Stay right here. Let's go.
This is sign up. Join over 2.5 million traders on here. So what are we going to do here? He said that we use our mail. You can use your mail here to enter or to create an account, or you can go with your Google. I used my Google. I signed up with my Google. And how can you sign up with your Google? It means you are going to sign up with your Google, your Gmail, directly into the account. But here you are going to sign up with your Gmail like manually, but this one you are going to sign up automatically. You understand what I'm saying? Let's use Google for this, for sign up, so it will be easy. It will be of ease for us. So choose any mail you want from your Google account. So they are going to give you a notification in that particular mail which you have chosen. So after they are giving you some mail, they are going to open this account for you. So this is your demo account. So how can you get a real account? You are going to click on here, which you see this get real account. Click on it. Click on the button there to get a real account. Okay, so here you are going to choose the currency you love to trade with. You understand? Your preferred currency. What will you love to deposit? If you want to deposit and if you want to withdraw, which of them do you want to use? Do you want to use the US dollar, the euro, the gbp. You want to use cryptocurrency, you can use Tether, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, USD coin. So what should we choose here? Let's choose the US dollar. So you next. Once you have clicked on any of the currency you want to use, you click on next. So if you come to next, now they are going to ask of identity verification. Choose your type of document, which you want to do it later, but I'll prefer you do it immediately. So but for the sake of this video, I'll do it later. So choose something you want to verify with your date of birth. So your first name, let's put here your last name. Just fill in this they are going to give to you. You are creating your real accounts now. So your the date of birth that is in your this thing on your passport or any of the verification ID you are going to use, that's the same date of birth you are going to put here. If you put different date of birth here, it's going to cause confusion when you're trying to withdraw or something. So or when you get some issues and they say you should submit your ID, so you are going to get some issues. So put your phone number, your place of birth. You can just choose anyone. You can just choose your place of birth. You need your place of birth. So income earning. So after you have select everything, you click on next. Employment status, employed, self-employed. I'll go on self-employed. So Ghana tax ID, I'm going to, so here they are going to ask you this tax ID. Someone have messaged me several times on this tax ID. So tax identification number, I don't have any tax identification number. So how are we going to do it? So I'm going to put some random tax ID here. So you can put some random tax ID, something of this nature. Then I'll click on next. Click on next. Just put something of that nature. Follow that example I showed to you. Enter that tax ID. There is no problem for it. No, that will cause you no problem. So here, what have happened? We are back here. So you can see, if you don't know where to go right now, you will still go and create a real account. So don't create a real account anymore. What you are going to do is click here. You can see demo and switch to real. So you wait for your account to switch to real account now. So on demo, you can see that there's 100,000 here, but on this real account, you are not going to see 100,000 anymore. So if you add your account right here, you are on your real account here. Here you can deposit right here. You can deposit to start trading on Deriv. You are welcome to the trading zone, to the trading center. So what we are going to do, we are not going to deposit later. We are going to deposit later. I want to finish what I'm doing here with you, then we'll deposit later, sorry. So you can see, once you want to go to your demo, you can click here. Once you want to go to your live account, you can also click from the demo to your real account. So this is how you can create a Deriv account, working Deriv account, active Deriv account. So here you just have to make deposit now. So this is all for the video, guys. Peace.